So I just got this vacuum cleaner that I'm super excited about. So let's unbox it together and assemble it. There is an instructions manual. Some cardboard packaged really nicely, all in foam. So we'll pull out all the components. Has a lot of different pieces that you're gonna need to keep track of. The cool thing about this vacuum is you actually get 3 different vacuums. So this plugs into here, and then plugs into here, and then extends with this button. And if you don't want to use this arm, you could pop it off. You could go directly into this piece, and you could also go directly into this piece and then extend it out like that. So to change the filter or empty it out, you're going to push this button, it pops down, you twist it just like that, it pops out, and then you just pop it out using kind of 2 fingers. And it does come with the second reusable filter and a brush. So you can use the brush to wipe down the filter, or you can run the filter underwater to clean it out, which is really handy. And then to put it back in, you just push it up and you rotate it until it clicks into place and pop that shut. So I just spent some time charging it. So now we're going to show you kind of how it works after it's fully charged. So this is the battery here in the back, which just slides in, and then you just plug it in to charge it. So at the top here, this will light up when I turn it on. And you can see the battery level percentage on that. So there are 4 battery bars that you'll see. So there's an on-off button, and then there's a speed button that has 3 speed settings. And that's it. You could basically just go ahead and use the vacuum, and it works really well. It does come with a wall mount that's super handy. So these just pop in, all the accessories, like that, and then you just hold it like this. It would be ideally mounted on the wall, and then it just slides in like this, and sits just like that on the wall. So if you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner that's super handy, that's basically cordless, ready to go, I highly suggest you check this out.